Gregor Mendel was a botanical monk who with enter experiment discovered what we know today as genetic inheritance laws. The main importance of these laws is that they help us understand how inheritable elements are transmitted from generation to generation. It has also helped to predict the possible characteristic features of the future generations. Mendel's laws had basic concepts that we must know, and are the following. Dominant gene is the general characteristics that predominate. Recessive gene is the gene with less dominant inheritable elements. Alleles, they are factors that come from the father and from the mother and represent the duration of a gene. Genotype are the combination of the alleles. Phenotype are the observable results of the genotype. Sometimes a dominant gene binds to recessive gene in one allele. Always the dominant one will be the only observable, which is to say, the only specific characteristics to be observed will be those of the dominant gene. Mendel's first law is the law of segregation. It states that one organism produces gametes and that each gamete receives a single randomly selected genetic copy. The second law is that of independent assortment. It is given that genes are inherited independently independently of each other, which means that one allele received by one gene does not influence another. And that's all.